Welcome to Fitting Model 101. I'm Julie, your host, and today I'm going to show you what to bring in your Fit Model bag. Thanks again for joining me on Fitting Model 101, where you get to learn the ins and outs of the fit modeling industry. Today I'm going to show you what to bring in your fit modeling bag. Now, all models have fit modeling bags, and it's necessary because we carry a lot of crap. We need shoes and underwear and makeup and all sorts of things as models. Some models use the straps like I do. Other models use a wheelie bag so it doesn't hurt their shoulder. So here's my bag. It's a little heavy. And to start, I have my badge to get into one of my companies. And next thing we're going to start with is I have my accessories bag, which I'll go through towards the end. I have a pair of sandals for fitting, just plain black heels, not too tall. I have a 5-inch pair of stilettos that I wear when I fit with Tadashi Shoji. And I left those there because that's the only company. There's not too many companies where they require 5-inch stilettos. That's for a 63-inch length dress. And I have clothing. You would think, why do I have clothing if I'm trying on clothing all day long? Well, you need basic garments for fittings because you're not always doing bottoms and you're not always doing tops. So you need one or the other if they don't have something for you. I have a basic black tank top, which I also sometimes do my measurements in because it's real stretchy and I can pull it down just past my underwear and nobody has to feel embarrassed about doing measurements because the techs and pattern makers don't always feel comfortable when you're just standing there in your underwear. So if it's a nice fitted tank or bathing suit, you can do your measurements in that too. I have a plain long sleeve white t-shirt. You need to wear those under jackets or sweaters because if not, it's too thin on your arms, outerwear. And we have to think when we're trying on clothes or people are buying clothes for different seasons, they're not just wearing a tank top under a jacket for winter, they're wearing a long sleeve. So you have to add extra bulk. I also have a pair of plain blue jeans that are fitted. They're stretch jeans. These are marked. Now 24, 25, 26, and 28. They're marked so it makes it easy for the fittings. When I put on a blouse or a t-shirt, automatically they go, oh, that's 25 inches. We like it. It's also marked on the bootay for the same reason. So I wear my fitting jeans when I am doing tops. And then when I'm doing bottoms, I usually am wearing my tank top. So after that, as a fit model, we have lots of undergarments. So I will start with the bras, and I have several of them. So I'll start taking them out of my bag. I'll start with the most basic, and that is a plain nude bra that has just slight padding. That one I wear quite frequently. Same with this one. This is a plain sheer bra, no padding, and I use that when they don't want fuller breasts and they want a more natural look. This one I wear a lot too. This is my T-back bra. You can see it's got a T back. Also as a halter bra. I wear this one when I'm trying on halter tops. And I'll do this one because this is important. Strapless, nude, strapless, slight padding, and a little bit of lift because you need lift when you're wearing a strapless bra and you're natural. So another one is a basic sports style bra or under bra. This one is good to have in case you're wearing a garment that tends to fall in between your cleavage. The designer may not want to see that. So if you're wearing a sports bra, it goes straight across. It pushes the garment away from your body. So that's a good one to have. And then I have some fun bras. These are my chicken cutlets. They're sticky, and you just put them right on and they stick. They give you lift, and you need these if you're wearing a backless dress. So again, for gowns, usually I wear that one. And these ones are also fun, little baby chicken cutlets. These ones are for your nipples. So these are also necessary when you're wearing or have to wear a strapless, and you can't wear anything except for these guys. So again, sticky, reusable, super inexpensive. Moving on from the bras to the undergarments, which you also have a lot of. I have Spanx. These are the shorts Spanx, and you would wear them with trousers or jumpsuits. Sometimes a mini dress that's strapless, something like this would work because it cinches right underneath your bust. It's got the elastic in there so it holds, but it just sucks everything in. And those are great for gowns and mini dresses and body contour outfits. This one, another Spanx. I love this one. This one just makes my body look banging, and it's because it sucks everything in. Again, I said I'm hippie. There's nothing wrong with being a little hippie or not having a perfect body as a fit model, because fit models are supposed to portray the average woman. And the average woman doesn't have a perfect body. She has lumps and bumps in some places she doesn't want them. She has saggy skin in some places she doesn't want it. And yes, a junior fit model is going to have a more perfect body because she's young. But as a Missy fit model, it's not as necessary. But we still need garments like these to help us when we're doing gowns so that the gown looks absolutely stunning. And then the last one is, this is a tummy trimmer Spanx. I have 3 pairs of these. These rock. These are great for love handles. So if you don't want to see, and I don't think anybody wants to show off their love handles, they're not very loving. Maybe in the bedroom, but nowhere else. These are great. They just suck everything in. They go up to the skinniest point in your waist, and love handles sit just below that. So get a pair of these. Mine are thong. You don't have to get thong. You can get full back because they sell them that way also, but they're nice and secure. What else do I have in here? My invoice book, very important. This is how you get paid. And usually in your invoice book, you have a pen. And along with that, you should carry 2 other pens because people will walk off with your pens after signing your invoice book. Double-sided sticky tape for, again, dresses that may move, just to help in the fitting. You don't always want to use that. You just want to have it available. If a garment is falling off or needs double-sided sticky tape, that means there's a fitting problem, and that needs to be addressed. So it doesn't matter if you come out and it's gaping. You don't need to fix it. It's only necessary to have in case they want to see it. If it was fit correctly, they can go, oh, okay, where can we put this? And at least you have it. I also keep lotion and tons of rubber bands, because as a fit model and a clip, you always have to put your hair up so they can see the seams, the neckline, everything, here. Because if your hair is down, they can't see how the clothing fits. So that's important. Chewing gum, so you don't offend anyone. And here, my bag, my accessories bag, I also have non-offensive items. Toothbrush, dental floss, and toothpaste. Another lotion. Deodorant, another non-offensive item. We don't want to offend anyone while we're working. LA gets really hot in the summertime, so it's important to have those items. eye drops, tampons, if you're a woman, and I have some Tarte lipstick and contour, some sealer, some makeup, just to hide the dark circles. Ricola, in case I get a sore throat from talking too much. Safety pins for damages to your garments during the day if you have an accident. They're always necessary to have. And then I keep a book. You are a badass. This is one I've read a couple times, but I just keep her in here in case I don't have any cellular service on my phone. So that is what a fit model has in her fit modeling bag. I hope you liked the show today. You can download a list of all these items on my website, fittingmodel101.com. And please smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you back here next Friday.